Bam, peeps. What's going on, guys? Coinbase is pushing. It's resistant Cathie Wood, man. This is what is going on. So Coinbase is actually up 3%, and I'm really surprised this morning. Cathie Woods decided to sell a bunch of shares of Coinbase 2 days ago. 2 days ago, and guys, it dropped from $358. It just tanked to $320. Tanked to $320. She made Coinbase tank. So thank you so much, Cathie Wood, for doing that. And it's following, guys, their Q3 earnings. So the Q3 earning, the third quarter earning came through. And we're going to look at this real quick, guys. You can see it very quickly, guys. I'm going to show you guys this on Robinhood. Where is it? Down here, sorry. Right here. You see it very, very quickly how their Q2 earning was way above expectation. And their Q3, they're right there. Right there with what was expected. Actual EPS is just a teeny bit higher than what it was expected. But if you compare the Q2 earnings, it dropped a lot. It dropped a lot. So let's look at some numbers real quick. How much did it drop? I'm a mess. There it is. Estimated Coinbase intrinsic value after Q3 earnings. So let's look at some of the highlights. If you look at the highlights, it's their third straight quarter where they have revenue above $1 billion, which is amazing. It means the revenue's just going through the roof, higher and higher, and over $1 billion is a lot. But compared to Q2, the trading volume has dropped 29%. That's a 30% drop. That's a third. That's a lot. But if you think about it, and if you think of what cryptocurrencies have been doing, I would say it's pretty logical. Cryptocurrencies were at a buying price during the Q2. They were no longer at a buying price, really. So a lot of people have bought during the second quarter cryptocurrency, and at this point have just been holding. So I would say that these numbers kind of make sense. But if you look, so Bitcoin accounted for 19% of the trading. So 19% of their trading on Coinbase was done through Bitcoin. Pretty impressive. 20%. The retail volume, so the retail trading volume, guys, retail is people like you and me. It's not the institution, it's not the big boys, it's just the simple you and me folks. Retail trading volume dropped by 36%, and this explains a lot by saying that you and me, it was a buying opportunity during the second quarter. Well, not anymore, it was not. So that's why we haven't bought so much on Coinbase as much. The monthly transaction users dropped by 16%. This is all comparing to the second quarter. So I'd say everything dropped between 20 to 30%. And then Cathie Wood, which owned hundreds of millions in it, she shredded her shares. Also notable, this is this morning, 2 hours ago, notable Coinbase Global Insider trades 7.5 million in company stock, which is not good. It means that they're afraid that the thing tanks. But look at what it's doing today. Today it's resisting. It stopped crashing at that 320 mark right down here. Yesterday, November 10th, yesterday morning at 10 o'clock. And it bounced back up. It bounced all the way back up to 338, which is actually where we're at right now. 338. I say Coinbase, guys, it's all going to be determined with the cryptos. I'm really, really happy to see. I have not sold my Coinbase. I thought about it. I was really, really not happy to see that Cathie Woods sold everything. I was really not happy to see that. I think she messed up. She's going to make everyone sell. That's the problem. That's what really happened. When Cathie Woods sells, everyone just starts thinking about it. That's really what happened. But cryptos are at their all-time high, and we can't forget that. So let's look a little bit, because what affects Coinbase? Crypto. That's what they sell, cryptocurrencies. And if you look, let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is at its all-time highest. It's trying to break through. It's trying to break out to new all-time high, but it's at its all-time peak. As long as it doesn't crash, I don't see why Coinbase would crash, really. As long as Ethereum and Bitcoin, which are the two main, let's not forget that Bitcoin encounters for 20% of their transaction. 20% of their transaction on Coinbase are done through Bitcoin. Ethereum is probably another 10 to 15%. Probably, I don't know how much, but probably at least 10%. And you look at Bitcoin, almost at 65,000. It was earlier this morning at 65.6. Same thing. It's almost at its all-time high. It's trying to break through. So depending on what these coins are going to do, guys, depending on what these cryptos are going to do, Dogecoin, guys, Dogecoin, I'm kind of sick of the dump on Dogecoin, to be perfectly honest. Every time you get a good news, look at these peaks, man. You get these massive, massive peaks, and then they just, everyone dumps. Everyone dumps, man. It jumped to 27.1 cents. Well, right now it's at 26.1. This all happened within 10 o'clock this morning, guys, to right now. Right now it's 1 o'clock, within 3 hours. Within 3 hours. That's a big drop. Dogecoin is kind of doing what it's been doing. Steady. Litecoin, guys, Litecoin is breaking through. It's been breaking through. It's stabilizing today, but it's at $260, which is, if you look at a month ago, guys, a month ago Litecoin was trading at 160. It's now trading at 260. So 45% gain over 1 month. That's why I don't see Coinbase crashing. Unless all the cryptos start crashing, which is possible. Very, very possible. But unless there's a crash that happens on cryptos, I don't see why Coinbase, and especially today, it's resisting the sell of Cathie Woods, insider selling. So this, I would say that today's actually pretty good news for Coinbase, that it's resisting. Tomorrow will be interesting. Tomorrow's Friday. It'll be really interesting to see where Coinbase will close tomorrow night. I'm staying positive on it. I'm staying positive. I do think that a couple analysts came out with some numbers. Some of them are putting Coinbase around 220, and some of them are putting Coinbase around 420. Right now, we're right in the middle. I'm still bullish on it because cryptos are bullish. That's what I'm going to base it on. I'm not going to base it on. I know a lot of people are selling. Right now, you can lock in profit. You can't go wrong by locking profit, really. But I think cryptos are doing really good, and I think we're on an upside right now. And I think we could go higher by the end of the year. That's what I think. What I'm hoping for is that how cryptos have been stabilizing at their all-time high, it's because we're about to hit new all-time highs. And if that happens, Coinbase will hit new all-time high, just like what's been happening for the past month. Just like what it's been going on. Anyways, guys, today we need to make it to 800 subscribers. So you need to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. That's super, super important. Let's get that done. And guys, have an awesome day. Happy investing. I'm out. Have a great day.